GNOME 41.2 is here to improve software, boxes, Orca, calendar, and other apps. The GNOME project released today, GNOME 41.2, as the second point release to the latest and greatest GNOME 41 desktop environment series to fix more bugs, update translations, and add a few improvements. The GNOME project announced the official release of GNOME 41.2 with fixes, translations, and some improvements and more. Check out what's new in this update. GNOME is the default environment for Ubuntu and many other Linux distributions. Often users use it and don't even know its name because it just comes installed and works fine. Now the GNOME project today released GNOME 41.2 as the second point release in the latest and greatest series of GNOME 41 desktop environments to fix more bugs, update translations, and some improvements. What's new in GNOME 41.2? GNOME 41.2 is here 5 weeks after GNOME 41.1. To update the Orca screen reader accessibility tool with improved behavior when focused back or forward button is pressed, improved display of subscript and superscript elements, ability to identify and display images from custom elements, voice generator for browser alerts, support for handling name or description change floods in the event handler, improved display of interdeterminate progress bars, busy indicators, and better compatibility with Python 3.10. GNOME Boxes virtualization software has been updated to version 41.2 with fix for an issue that prevented users from configuring 3D acceleration, as well as an issue that caused virtual machines to mute. An updated list of operations for systems download. GNOME 41.2 also updates the events document viewer to version 41.3, a point release that fixes metadata and removes quit from the shortcuts page. Updates the GNOME calculator application to version 41.1, a minor version that fixes an issue where the app basics mode width has been forced, and updates the GNOME calendar app to version 41.1, a minor version that fixes Google Meet's detection of URLs. The GNOME Software 41.2 graphical package manager also has the ability to reload an application's details only when the user does not install or remove the applications. Improved disk size calculation, improved add-on section that no longer shows add-on for different applications, and a fix for a failure that occurred while processing age ratings. Also updated during this round are the Cheese Webcam Viewer, the new Connection App application, the Eye of GNOME Image Viewer, as well as the GNOME Initial Setup, GNOME Control Center, GNOME Maps, GNOME Terminal, and GNOME Component Screenshot, the latter final being updated to version 41. These apps received minor bug fixes and updated translations. For application developers, GNOME Builder has been updated to version 41.3 with improvements to the Flatpak runtime resolution on new system installs, improvements to the overview map style, an updated GTK4 template, more restrictive application IDs in the wizard, support for single quote match editor insertion, improvements to the CMake plugin, as well as improved diagnostic style and search result. Those of you who want to compile GNOME 41.2 can download the official Buildstream project snapshot or the individual source packages. Most users using the GNOME 41 desktop environment series on their new Linux distribution will have to wait until the new package versions arrive in the stable repositories. Example, GNOME 41.2 is already landed in Fedora Linux 35. With install, most users will be able to upgrade or install and use the GNOME 41.2 desktop environment at some point in the next few weeks, when packages reach the stable software repositories of some of the most popular Linux distributions, including Arch Linux and open source Tumbleweed. In the meantime, check your favorite Linux distribution stable software repositories for GNOME 41.2 packages. If you are already using the latest GNOME 41 desktop environment, and update as soon as possible. The GNOME project encourages all Linux operating system vendors that distribute GNOME 41 to update as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. It helps make a good content for you. Other than that, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.